Today we're going to make a quick video of how to install this new light bulb to replace the burnt out one on this 2010 Mercedes GL450. Alright, so the replacement is going to be an H7. So I have the light bulb here, and down here is the pigtail that it's going to go in. As you can see, there is that little lip right here that's indicating that this is the side that lip is going to take. So we're going to go ahead and insert the light bulb just like so. Alright, and there it is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab the little towel or a rag and just wipe off the light bulb. That way I remove all the oils that were on my fingers off the halogen bulb. Now we're going to go ahead and insert it. And this does have these other two little flaps right here, which is going to pin the light bulb down. So we're going to go ahead and insert it and ever so slightly put those underneath the little clamps that it has right in there. Good luck fishing. Alright, and there it is in its place. Here's the light bulb. Down there is right there is the little bracket that it goes onto. It's nice and set. The other bracket is right here. It's a super tight fit. So now we'll grab our back plates, and I need to get this flashlight out of the way. Just put it in there and twist to secure it, and you're set. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Go ahead and turn the ignition over so everything starts up. Turn on your lights. Check it out. Sweet, there it is. Everything is nice and bright and on. Just made a video on that one too. There it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.